Hey guys, I'm going to create a series of Java programs in which multiple videos will be there for the programmings, and I'll start from the very basic program, that is Hello World program, very famous one, and then we will increase the level of the programming bit by bit, and we'll try to learn the programming in Java. This will be for, anyone who want to learn, whether he or she is a student or a professional who want to start career in Java. So I'll start from very basic concepts. So for starting, let's say we have to start a program on Java. So first, Java should be installed in your system. So for confirmation of the Java, whether it is installed or not, or which version is there, you should open a CMD command prompt, and then you should write Java hyphen version. So this will show which version of Java you are using. So it is saying like Java version 20.0.1. So any version you can use. Most famous one is Java 1.8. Since Java is installed, you can start writing the program. Let's start with a very basic program of Hello World. So the first thing which we write in the Java program is class, and C is obviously in small letters. Let me increase the size. So class, any class name we can give, let's say example, and the class name should be starting with the capital letter. Then we give curly braces. Okay. After class, we should write public static void main. So what these keywords are, I'll explain. String, args, and then again curly brace open close. And now here we will write system dot out dot println, and we'll type here hello world, and semicolon is required at the end. So this is a very basic, very small, simplest program in Java which just print the hello world. So what does each keyword mean? What does this class keyword means? Public, static, void, main, system. So I'll go through each keywords and will explain. So first, let's say you have written a program in Java in using Notepad only. First I'll use Notepad, then I'll show you in some IDE like Eclipse. Okay, so let's say we have written the program in here in Notepad, and we will save it. It should be saved with the same name as the class name, example.java. Like this we should save it, and I'll save it in, let's say, desktop. Okay, this is saved. Suppose we have written the code and now we want to run it. So we have to again open the command prompt, and there let's see where I am right now. So pwd just shows the path where I am currently. So now since I am inside user and the folder of my name, so since I have saved this file in desktop, I should go to the desktop, cd desktop. This is the command. So yes, if I do, oh sorry, okay, ls, yeah, when I do ls, list of files, so it shows that all the files which I have. So here example.java is there. So how we should run the program? Let's say we have written, okay, saved it, and we have went to that location in command prompt. Now to run the application, we have command java c and then class name, that is example.java. So this command will compile example.java class. Okay, compile means it will go through each code, execute it, and it will convert the class, this .java file into .class file, and that is a bytecode. Okay, now how we have to run? We have just compiled it, but it is not yet, the output has not yet been shown. So what we have to do? We can do java and class name. So this command is to run the program. So here it prints hello world. which is our output. Okay, so this is how we write a program, and we compile it and run it using command prompt in whether it is Mac or Windows. You can do similar ways there in Windows also. So like that we used to run our program. Now let's go through each keyword which we have defined here. Okay, so class is a keyword which tells the compiler that yes, this will behave as a class. This is the class name. It should start with capital. Okay, always. Public, what does this public mean? Public means that this method, what is the method is? That is main. This will be accessible to everywhere because it is public. Okay, so bit by bit we will know what are all our access modifiers and specifiers, like public, private, and protected, default we have. So generally we use public, that means it will be accessible to whole package and outside also. Static is a keyword which denotes that either the method or the variables that we have declared as a static will be attached with the class. Okay, what does that mean? That means that its memory will be associated with the class area, class memory. Okay, we will understand bit by bit. What is void? Void means this method will return void. Void means null, nothing. Okay, so the method return type here is nothing. That's why we use void. Main, what does main? Main is a keyword which denotes that this method is a main method, and every Java program starts its execution from main method only. Okay, so whenever we compile any Java program or any project, it always looks for main method. Okay, from main method it will compile the code which is written inside the main. So here what we have written, we have just written system.out.println, and what does this? This just this is a command to print anything. So whatever we provide inside the code, it will print it. Okay. So this is the simplest program in Java which we have done. We will also show you how we can do the same in some IDE. Okay. Let's say I have a IDE name Eclipse. Eclipse and IntelliJ are very famous IDEs which are being used these days in the market. Some other IDEs are also there. So let's say maybe I can use this existing project, or maybe you can create a new project. Let's start a project. Java project. Hello world. Next. So hello world and src is there. Finish. Module name. Hello world. Okay, so we have created a hello world project, small one. Now what we can do, we can make one class file here, and we can provide the name, let's say hello only, and we can include public static void main method here. We can click finish. So this has been generated. Okay, so as we have already clicked to generate a main method, so everything is written here. Class name we have already provided. So here we can write our code. Like what we have to do, we have to just print hello world. Okay, so this is one of the biggest advantage of Eclipse or any IDE, that it provides suggestion also. Like I'm writing it provides suggestion that we can use this method. Okay, so here we will write hello world, and it's done. We can save it. So here we can run, right click, run as Java application, and as we can see in the console, that output has been generated hello world. Okay, so by this way we can do the same thing using some IDE like Eclipse, and see, this has added one package named hello world because of this folder name is hello world. So everything is inside this package. That's why package has been introduced here. Public class name is hello, and this is public because that class will be accessible everywhere. And again, this method is public, main method is public because that method can also be accessible everywhere. I have already rolled static. So by this way you can do the same program using IDE like Eclipse, and you can directly run by clicking here. So yeah, it prints the output as hello world. Okay, so we are done with this hello world program. In next video, I will go through another program and we'll try to learn some more concepts. Thank you for watching.